case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1954, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Irvine v. California, which centered on the exclusionary rule and the admissibility of evidence obtained through illegal searches or seizures. The petitioner in the case was convicted of horse race bookmaking and other offenses against California's anti-gambling laws. During the trial, the petitioner's lawyer added 2 additional questions to the case, which the court disapproved of. The petitioner argued that it was illegal for evidence of a federal wagering tax stamp found during his arrest to be admitted in court. He also questioned the legality of officers installing a concealed microphone in his home to record incriminating statements, though the court ultimately deemed this evidence admissible. Despite the petitioner's arguments, the Supreme Court upheld the conviction. The justices held that the 14th Amendment does not prohibit the admission of evidence obtained through illegal searches or seizures in a prosecution for state crimes. Furthermore, the court suggested that an intentional violation of a U.S. citizen's 14th Amendment right to home security against unreasonable searches may constitute a federal crime under 18 U.S.C. Section 242. While some states and the federal government may allow certain exceptions to the exclusionary rule, this case highlights the potential for conflicts between state and federal laws in determining the admissibility of evidence obtained through questionable methods.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.